Instagram's new feature allows you to showcase a song in your bio. If you'd like to change the music in your Instagram bio, follow these simple steps. Let's start. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Now, open Instagram and go to your profile. You'll see the current song displayed under your profile picture. Tap on it to make changes. In the new window, select Change Profile Song. Search for a new song using the search bar or browse through the suggested tracks. Select the desired song from the list and preview it by tapping on the track. Once you've chosen your new song, tap the arrow in the bottom right corner. After that, choose the specific portion of the song you'd like to display in your bio. Confirm your selection by tapping the check mark. Now, anyone visiting your profile will experience a fresh tune that matches your current vibe. And that's it. Thank you for watching our tutorials. For more tips and tricks, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.